This Friday, we have the third cold front in a series of cold fronts moving over the southwestern Cape, where cold conditions will persist, but the opposite remaining true in the northeast, where this dominating high pressure system in the upper levels of the atmosphere will now also extend over the northeastern regions, bringing extremely hot conditions to parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. So here's your Friday forecast. Early on Friday morning, we have the next cold front arriving in the southwestern Cape, where scattered showers is likely, with a fourth cold front arriving on Saturday, bringing more showers and another spell of cold conditions. But scattered showers likely around the city of Cape Town, parts of the Wineland and Overberg on Friday, isolated light showers for the surrounding regions with some drizzle along the western and southern coastline, and then morning drizzle still likely in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern Cape. Westerly to southwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong behind that cold front along the southern coastline. A windy afternoon expected over much of the interior, especially over the southern interior and the northeastern regions, blowing strong at times over parts of the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, as well as here in parts of the Karoo and Little Karoo. Fresh winds still persisting along the coast of Namibia. In the Western Cape, another cold, wet and windy afternoon with scattered showers likely around the Winelands, the Overberg and the city of Cape Town. Temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius and northwesterly winds blowing fresh across the province. A westerly to southwesterly wind picking up and blowing fresh to strong along the southern coastline with temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius, and the winds now also picking up in parts of the Karoo, where it will also be cooler this Friday. A windy afternoon expected over most regions of the Eastern Cape, cooler conditions around the Eastern Escarpment with only 19 in Kumani, East London reaching a high of 21 with southwesterly winds blowing fresh into the afternoon. In KwaZulu-Natal, a few foggy patches at first, later westerly winds blowing strong over the northern regions where temperatures will reach 30 degrees Celsius in Ladysmith and Newcastle. Westerly winds also picking up and blowing fresh over parts of Mpumalanga, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the Highveld, but hot conditions in the lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, where temperatures will soar to the mid 30s. Temperatures also expected above 30 over parts of the Bushveld, and windy conditions into the afternoon. In northwest, we are expecting a windy afternoon with westerly to northwesterly winds blowing fresh, temperatures soaring above 30 degrees Celsius in the north and upper 20s in the south. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting some light drizzle over the southwestern regions, a cold afternoon with maximum temperatures only in the lower to mid-teens, winds yet again picking up in parts of the Karoo, and temperatures reaching the mid-20s over the northern regions. A windy afternoon expected over the southern regions of the Free State, but especially here over the northern and eastern regions. A cold morning at first, later temperatures in the lower to mid-20s with Bloemfontein reaching a high of 24. And then a windy afternoon expected in Gauteng, remaining quite warm with 29 in the afternoon in Pretoria and 27 in Johannesburg. Then this weekend, we have the next cold front arriving in the southwestern Cape on Saturday, bringing more showers and cold conditions to the southwest. A high of only 7 now expected in Sutherland, remaining windy over the northeastern regions with temperatures in the upper 20s in Gauteng and reaching the upper 30s in parts of the Lowveld. By Sunday, we are expecting isolated light showers still around the city of Cape Town, otherwise mostly sunny and dry conditions. Cooler weather moving into KwaZulu-Natal, where light drizzle is likely, but remaining warm to hot in the northeast with 31 in the afternoon in Polokwane. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.